Alright, yep, I accidentally closed it again walking. Alright, yeah, I'm just gonna make a Juggernaut boat. I'm not gonna spam as much. But I have to. It's gonna be difficult. Why? Oh yeah, I don't have a camera, so no one can see me. And I found out there's an age restriction on Friday Night Funkin', and it was just for 13-year-olders. But whatever, man. It's not like they're actually saying swears. Also, you can't even understand what they're saying. Oh no, why did you put even more thrusters? Yeah, I mean, obviously I did not put any. I remember I did this once. And then you put the teleporter on top of the ship. We put it on top of my cube, technically. That's not a cube anymore. Boom. Free win. Now if one of us die, we can go for the teleporter up there. And then pretty much we can just go up there and go back and start building with the blocks. Which is actually cheap. They should definitely fix. I hope it still works. Oh yeah. Pretty sure it's connected, so I don't think it will. Hold on. I gotta make the thing so you can get up to the teleporter. Okay, it is a possible jump. I think. Okay. Oh yeah, walking. My analytics actually changed from last night. It is not 99.9% anymore. It's 99.7, even though no one subscribed. I gotta check if I even still have Windows or I already used them on the boat. I have most definitely used them all on the boat. Yeah, remember, there's layers. So it's like, you'll never find it. Is a gamer chair in here? Oh yeah, you gotta get out of the gamer chair. I got it. Okay, this thing should operate. I hope. Alright. Here we go. Oh god. Is it working? Oh. Oh. Why not, man? Get the boat stuck. Yeah, I can. Oh my god, that was close. Might want to get down here. Apparently the propeller isn't in the water. But I can still move the propeller. Oh, and I can move. I can go move backwards too. So if it was in the water, then we could have just gone out of here. Bro, look at that boat behind us. Something happened to it. I think someone was gonna go on that and drive, but they couldn't get on. Oh, how much damage did I do? Oh yeah, that did nothing. Cause we have the thing, the chest. This is getting us. Hawking, you're trying to hit home runs. Don't you understand? I just realized that. Wait, did we? There's a bowling one. I just realized we went for 2 of the bat ones because it says there's 2. But you wanna know what would suck? If we got the one with the laundry. Like the hamper. Yeah, you would have to get lucky and get on the side of that. That would have sucked if you got in. It was just a death wish. No! Oh my god, that was close. On my screen, you almost fell off. Not this one. Oh god. No, this is a bad one to be in. The card, when you go on the cards, it weakens your bow. Walking. No, there's no point, man. You have to stay up there. It's more dangerous if you know walking. Not gonna lie, but it's more dangerous down here because the cards are gonna hit the bottom. What was that? All I hear is the scream. Wait, there's a chest behind that one wall. I just saw it, but I don't have a jetpack to go to it. Alright, that's something I'm gonna go look at. That's actually... I don't know. Oh, maybe you gotta like put TNT, because I have like TNT things on here. Because I can place TNT and I can just like, boom, kablooey. That there's... Wait, what? They damage you! Wait! Oh, they don't damage you. Though they destroyed the whole bottom of the boat. Wait, walking. Since you're out there, if you stay alive, I can go over there. I have all the original blocks. Wait, no! Why would it throw us down? Like, oh, no! I almost got on. But the game got me killed. I died again. I got stuck under the boat. I got stuck under the boat. Wait, since I went in there again, I got more gold. Huh. I'm gonna open a legendary chest. I just got 41 steel. That's really good. 38 brick. I don't know what that other one was. Oh, 4 thrones. 3 signs. 1 light switch. A harpoon. A thruster. And a button. A prison door. And that's it. Alright, what if we... Wongy, do you have any saved boats? Because if you can build a boat, what if we connect them? Then we have like a 1 boat to go to. Also, I actually want to just build this thing now normally. Because I got more steel. Oh, yeah, it's for sure, dude. Well, it doesn't really matter on the bottom part. Because I can't really do anything. But then at the same time, we should probably go up here and build a wall. I'm actually gonna fix this. I'm actually not gonna let them because I don't want them to. If he's gonna just continue saying why, I'm just gonna tell him, go away, man. I hate people who do that. They're just like, why? Pretty much no. I want him to kind of go too, but he's gonna keep messing with us. Did he say anything? Yeah, but after I said, well, some people just want to be alone. Alright, I just realized I've been recording for a total of 13 minutes. So this is gonna be like the last time we're gonna go out because I didn't know we would be on here for that long. What did he say? Honestly, I hope this guy realizes what I mean, because he's kind of getting on my nerves. If he tries to guilt trip me, I'm gonna be a little mad at him. He's gonna do this. Yeah, hold on. I think I just did something. Do I now have... Where are those blocks? This guy needs to leave people alone. He literally just said, I really want a team. I just found out something. Pretty sure, if I'm correct, if I go under here, I'm just gonna modify it under here. I'm giving our boat logic. Is he still here? At least he can't get here. I'm not dumb. Alright, walking, let me build the roof, actually, because I have steel. But I don't want it to be like this, too. Tell him just to reset. I'm trying to build this. Ah! Great, now we can't get up. Oh no. Great, get rid of it, quick, quick, quick. Okay, good. I don't want him back up here. He's gonna be trying. No! Oh! God. What was that? Alright, Walking, get in here quick. Quick, Walking, please. We need to get going. Right? Yes. Alright. Guys, I hope this one does work. Now I have a flint knot. I forgot how you pronounce it. Walking, how do you pronounce it again? Okay, a flint knock. And I got my sword. And he has a cannon. Walking, you shouldn't probably shoot that so you don't go flying out of the boat. Oh yeah, wait, Walking, this video's been, according to what my thing is saying, 20 minutes long. Yes! That's why I kind of wanted to also end it. Because the last one was only 15 minutes. Walking, did you seriously fall off the boat? Okay, no. We forgot to put the teleporter, though. I don't like that ball one because it's in the hard. Yeah, this view sucks. Oh, hey, dude, the one after this is a home run place. Oh, yeah, I see that. Yeah, that's why you need to be on the top. I can tell. Okay, the recent message from the guy in blue to said the yellow. I don't want you on to be on my team. I think he spelled that all wrong. Like I pretty much would. Oh hey, look, lollipop. Hold on, Walking. I need to do something. Oh wait, good thing I didn't even go down there and try to use the seat, cause I would've. I don't care, dude. If I went down there, I'd probably. Oh, not the choo-choo, dude. I hate this one. Okay, no choo-choo today. Oh, look, there's the choo-choo Walking. I thought my dog was still in my room. Yeah, I wonder how long. I wonder how long this is gonna. We're in a cinema? What are they watching? The hammers! Walking! Oh, that was such a good run, though, dude. Alright, guys, that's gonna do it for today's video. How much money did I get? I only got 60. Oh, I got 2 chests. Alright, Walking. That's it for today's video, I guess. Like and subscribe.